J Tiger in Thailand. All right. We are in Bangkok, Thailand, and this is a GPX Demon, a 200R. And this guy's got some, obviously some gold anodized mirror deletes. And this is just an overall nice looking bike. It's got a stock muffler, which I'm sure these are quite quiet. I think I'd like to have a little louder exhaust in Bangkok, so at least they heard you before they ran you over. But this is, oh, look here. I like it. Alrighty, got a little gold anodized bits there. There's your, that's where your registration papers go. And we have a Demon.